STAY Rhodes Hotel, which is 3-star hotel near to the beach. I'm going to check in. It's in a good location. It's a little bit further from Old Town, but still good location near to the sea, as I mentioned. So let's go and check it. They have lounge area here. You can sit here, read a book. It's really nice. I like this style. You can also go. Here is a big table if it's more of you here, and they also have outside space. Perfect for chilling out, I think. Welcome in my room for tonight. It's small, but it is nice. Start with a bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, mirror, hard dryer. Everything what you need. Mini fridge. You have a jar for water. Outside of the room there is a water machine, so you can go and take a water or ice if you want. Small TV, 4 hangers, and bed. It's just me here, so it's just for one person. I think this room can accommodate 2 adults. Air condition and some storage unit here. I have a balcony, which is big plus. Some sitting area here. Just on first floor, but it's fine. I have city view. There is no much to see, but it's fine. I will let you know the price at the end of the video. This hotel does not have a pool, but it's like 3 minutes walk to the beach. So you can go to the beach, which is fine. It's approximately 15 minutes from bus station and 15 minutes walk from Old Town. They provide shower and toilets here downstairs, so if you're actually staying here for longer and you need to check out, you still can come back and have a shower, which is absolutely perfect. Here is shower, actually 2 showers. It's all clean. Perfect. You can have a breakfast here. They don't do buffet breakfast. You just need to order, but it's actually really good selection, and I will definitely go for avocado on toast. If you are staying here, you can have a breakfast for 8 euros, which include coffee and juice of your choice. I actually went for fresh juice, which is 150 extra, but it's fine. My avocado toast is here and it looks so yummy. Let's taste it. It's good. And it's different, it's not like a typical avocado toast which I had before, but it's good. I already checked out from STAY Hotel. It was nice stay, like small and short. I paid 52 pounds, which is approximately 60 euros, something like that, without breakfast. And actually I made a mistake. I don't know why I thought it's 8 pounds, 8 euros for breakfast, but it's actually 12, which is expensive. I'm not going to lie, it's expensive. Yeah, this is one minus. I don't know, they might be cheaper if you book it together with room, but yeah, breakfast definitely expensive, and you might find it somewhere else cheaper and maybe even better option. That's it for now. Stay safe, take care, and see you later.